morning, student. Today we are going to start new topic, the method of calculating interest on drawing. Before the talking about the interest on drawing, I like to talk about the interest on loan taken by partner or taken by firm. If any type of loan taken by the firm, that interest on loan showing in PL account and taken by partners, that is also showing in PL account. Now we are going for the method of calculating interest on drawing. If generally we are thinking about the interest on drawing, so first we are going for the system by which we are taking the drawing. If yearly drawing or one amount for drawing, then two method we are utilizing. One is simple method. In this system, amount of drawing into rate of interest upon 100 into per month or month upon 12. It means if you are taking the drawing on any special date or any date, on the basis of that we are going to calculate the number of month up to closing and then going to calculate the interest on drawing. As like you are just taking 10,000 drawing in 1st April, so from April to 31st March, 12 month, then we are going to calculate interest on drawing for 12 month. If 1st October, so from October to March, then October, November, December and January, March, it means 6 months. Amount, rate, then 100 divided by 100 into month upon 12. Then second is product method. In this method, if number of drawing is more than 1, 2, 3, 4 and different type of date, then we are going to calculate the interest on drawing by this method. And formula of interest on drawing is equal to total of product into rate of interest upon 100 into 1 upon 12. In this method, we are taking the all amount in multiple of 12 months and then we are going to calculate for 1 month interest. As like, just see this question: 1st May 20,000, July 10,000, September 30,000, November 40,000, January 20,000 and then March 25,000. Then we are going to calculate the number of month up to closing date, number of month up to closing date, and closing date is 31st March. So from 1st May to 31st March, 11 month, 31st July to 31st March, 8 month, September 30 September to 31st March, 6 month, November 30 November to 31st March, 4 month, and then January to 31st March, 3 month, and 31st March to 31st March, 0 month. Then we are going to multiply this month with the amount. This month with the amount. Okay. $20,000. Just calculate. This is the question. Then $20,000, 11 month, 2,20,000, 10,000 8 month, 80,000, 30,000 6 month, 1,80,000, 40,000 4 month, 1,60,000, then 20,000 3 month, 60,000, 25,000 0 month is means 0. Then we are taking the total of this product and total is 7 lakh, and on this 7 lakh we are going to calculate 7 lakh into 9 upon 100 because 9% is interest at rate into 1 upon 12. Total amount is 5,250 rupees interest on drawing. Okay, this is the way by which we are going to calculate the interest on drawing. Now we are going to another system, interest on drawing monthly basis. On three way we are going to withdrawal drawing on monthly basis: beginning, mid and end. Beginning means 1 to 5 per first day, every month first day. Beginning, mid in 15, on 15, mid on 31st or 30, it will what? It will end. It means on three way. On three way we are going to drawing on monthly base. When drawing are made in the beginning of every month. Second, when drawing are made on end of every month. And third, when drawing are made in the middle or the any type of during the month. Okay, three ways there. Just I will show on copy how to calculate if beginning, mid and end, and three way for 12 months, for 9 months and for 6 months and for quarterly. I will just try to show you these all. The camera, its camera is going on and other things. I think this is the camera, sorry. Where is that camera? Yes. Yes. Just see on the copy. If you have the problem to seeing, then tell about that. But I will just write the things. For 12 month, for 9 month, for 6 month and for quarterly means for 4 month. Okay. Beginning, mid and end. Okay. Then for 12 month, only remember this. Here we are going to see how many months we are going to calculate for interest on drawing. How many months for interest on drawing? If 12 month beginning, so 6 and half. Only remember this. Okay, 6 and half. 12 month beginning, 6 and half. Then downside half, remove the half or less the half. 6 and it means 12 month mid, 6 month interest on drawing, 12 month end, 5 and half month interest on drawing. And go on this side, 1 and half, 5, 3 and half, 4 and half, 4, 3, 2 and half. Here it's a different 7 and half, 6, 4 and half. It means, just see here, if 12 month beginning, 6 and half, 12 month mid, 6, 12 month end, 5 and half, 9 month, continuously 9 month, beginning 5 month, 9 month mid, 6 and half, 4 and half, and 9 month end 4, 6 month beginning 3 and half, 6 month mid 3, 6 month end 2 and half. Quarterly, it's also called or 1 by 4. Quarterly beginning 7 and half, quarterly mid 6 month, quarterly end 4 and half. And one formula we can use for this: amount into, maybe it's 12, if 12 months there, 9 month then 9, 6 month then 6, 4 month, then 4 into beginning, mid, end. Beginning or mid or end upon 12. Beginning, then we will take the months 6.5, 5 or 3.5, any month, into rate upon 100. Into rate upon 100. Here, if beginning 12 month and beginning, then 6.5. 9 month beginning 5. 9 month end 4. Okay, on this way we are taking things, and on this way we are easily calculate the interest on drawing. And for remembering this table, only remember this 6.5. 12 month beginning 6.5. Then after downside, half less the half and go for that right side, 1.5 less 1.5. This is separate. It's a separate. 6.5, 5, 3.5. Okay. By the using of this formula, you can easily calculate all interest on drawing. Easily calculate all interest on drawing. Even beginning, mid or end, any type of. Just see one question. This is the question 26 illustration. A draw 10,000 for the form to beginning of every month for the 12 month. Beginning of every month for the 12 month. So beginning of every month amount is 10,000. 12 month is 12 into beginning, 12 month beginning 6.5 or 6.5 upon 12 into rate 8 upon 100. Okay, 12 cut, and on the basis of this we can easily calculate this again. It means 6.5 into 8. Just multiply of 6.5 into 8. Just see 6.5 also is in the book. You are going to calculate in a different way, but no need to see this way. Directly see the table, and on the basis of that table you can easily calculate. Just see 1,20,000, 8 upon 100 into 6.5 upon 12. Same thing is here. And 5,200. On this way we can calculate all the interest on drawing, beginning, mid, end, for 12 month, for 9 month, for 6 month, and for quarterly. Okay, on the basis of this you can try to solve the all questions related with the interest on drawing. Okay, try it. If any problem is there, then consult with me. Okay, thank you.